what happens when Lamborghini takes the world's best-selling super SUV and evolves it into something even angrier, faster, and more dominant. This is the 2025 Lamborghini Urus, the new face of Italian brutality on four wheels. And today, you're about to see why this SUV still rules the streets, the drag strip, and even the luxury market. For 2025, Lamborghini has doubled down on everything that made the Urus a legend. The stance is wider. The aero is sharper. The cabin is more premium. And under that hood sits an updated twin-turbo powertrain that turns this SUV into a road-legal missile. Whether you're a Lambo enthusiast, a speed-obsessed petrolhead, or someone who just wants to see what a $250,000 SUV looks and sounds like, this video is for you. So buckle up. Because the 2025 Urus doesn't just move fast. It attacks the road. Let's start with the most important part, power. The 2025 Lamborghini Urus continues to use its beloved 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but with revised internals, new engine mapping, and a more aggressive exhaust system. Power is now pushing deep into the 700-plus horsepower range, depending on spec, giving this SUV supercar-like acceleration. 0 to 60 miles per hour? Around 3.1 seconds. Top speed? Just under 200 miles per hour. In an SUV. Let that sink in. But raw numbers are only one piece of the puzzle. Lamborghini spent serious time reworking the aerodynamics. The 2025 Urus features sharper air intakes, enhanced brake cooling channels, and a redesigned rear diffuser for greater stability at high speeds. The signature Y-shaped LED DRLs are now even more aggressive, giving the front end a razor-sharp identity. And then there's the interior, where Lamborghini flexes its luxury side. Inside the 2025 Urus, you're greeted by premium leather with hexagonal stitching, new ambient lighting zones, a revamped dual-screen interface, and heavily bolstered sports seats that make you feel like you're sitting inside a fighter jet cockpit. The rear seats, surprisingly spacious, incredibly comfortable, and refined enough to rival Bentley's Bentayga or the Mercedes-Maybach GLS. But the Urus stays true to its heritage. The cabin doesn't feel like a luxury lounge. It feels like a performance machine wrapped in luxury, with carbon fiber woven through nearly every touchpoint. On the road, the new Urus delivers sharper turn-in thanks to updated torque vectoring and recalibrated active suspension. Even at high speeds, this SUV stays planted, confident, and brutally fast. That trademark Lambo exhaust note, that crackle, that shotgun-like pop on downshifts, is the kind of sound that makes you fall in love with driving all over again. And yes, the 2025 Urus still conquers rivals. Ferrari's Purosangue may be quicker in corners, the AMG G63 may be more iconic, but the Urus? It is the undisputed king of exotic performance SUVs. So that is the 2025 Lamborghini Urus, louder, sharper, faster, and more refined than ever. It proves once again why Lamborghini dominates the performance SUV world, blending supercar soul with daily driver practicality. If you could choose only one SUV to own for the rest of your life, is this the one you'd pick? Let me know your answer in the comments, and tell me what car you want me to feature next. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Carteck Unlocked, and turn on notifications so you never miss another deep dive into the world's most exciting performance machines.